What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, hands-on auto training, end of day. This is December 7th, 2021. Guys, I appreciate everybody that takes time to watch my videos. I hope I'm teaching you something. We hit 9,000 subscribers for hands-on auto training. I'm super pumped about that. That is pretty rock solid and awesome. So thank you. If you haven't hit the notification bell or the subscribe button, please do. That would help me out. And first off, today I want to go back to the bench and show you that I did tidy up the little project we had going on yesterday. What I'm really trying to do is make it easy for technicians or students to put an amp clamp onto a circuit and test a circuit here. So as you saw yesterday, we are running this off of, 13.5 volts here. So I did end up locating what's called an inverter. This is a Hex Inverter, so this is pretty cool. If you look at the data sheet here, this thing has a maximum input, I think, of, if I'm not mistaken, 7 volts. So that's why we do have to run this off a 5-volt regulated system. But what this is a bunch of NOT gates. So whatever the one is, whatever the input is, the output's NOT. So that's what I was getting at. So we can go ahead and fire this thing up, and you can see here that we do have variable RPM control. We can crank it up pretty good there. So that is the project I've been working on. Like I said, I was happy to clean it up. Today started out with a 2008 Dodge Avenger. We had to cut and program a new key. This vehicle was setting a P0513 skim code. I think it's skim key code invalid. And also the vehicle wouldn't start. I don't believe it would crank either. So the technician diagnosed it properly. We cut the key, programmed it, and we were good to go there. Next up, we had a 2012 Ford F-150 ABS control module. This is a brand new ABS control module, similar to what we worked on yesterday, where the basically doing PMI, but PMI is saying it's an invalid part. But once I get the as-built data, we're connected to the internet, so the automatic as-built pops into the IDS software and it recognizes the module then, and everything goes through smoothly. So that was no problem there. Next up, we had a 2016 Buick Lacrosse with a used transmission. This was a easy job. I was able to take care of that, no problem. And we finished out today with an interesting 2011 Chevy Cruze. This had a brand new powertrain control module, or ECM should I say, that was installed into it. And we got out there, programmed it, programming went through no problem. But right off the bat, we were immediately setting a bunch of induction codes. When I'm saying induction, we're talking about airflow codes. So we were setting a P1101, P0106, and a P2228. These were all for the boost, barrel, and map sensor. I think they're like performance and correlation codes, basically saying, hey, things aren't right. So just so you know, with the key on, engine off on this vehicle, all the pressure should read equal. And they didn't. As you see here, key on, engine off, we were all over the place, and the sensors were skewed. Turns out that the technician or some other shop, I think, actually crisscrossed the sensors. The map and the baro sensors were crisscrossed. So once those got taken care of, we were all good. Guys, that was my day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. I've been getting a lot of feedback of people on the membership site saying that they want to see more variable cam timing information and lessons. I don't run into a ton of problems. Usually we have timing issues from worn out guides and stretched chains. The chains don't really stretch. What it is the little links in between where the pins go all get worn out, so the chain actually elongates. There's a possibility that I can definitely put some material together like that. If you guys have something you want to see, let me know. But in the meantime, I'm going to start doing more screen captures, capturing live data as I control the cam actuators with the scan tool, so I can put something together, and we're going to be having a lesson on that, or actually it might be a multi-chapter lesson, just going over the theory of it, and then I'll have some videos on real life examples. So you guys take it easy, have a great day. If you haven't checked out handsonautotraining.com, be sure to check out our courses. We got a bunch of stuff available. That's in the description in the video here. You guys have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.